Hi friends, thank you so much for stopping by today and welcome if you're new here. My name is Alyssa and today I just wanted to do a quick project share on this journal slash folio slash lap book type project that I kind of just put together on the fly. I had a few pages left of this Tim Holtz paper pad and I have just been holding on to them forever. So I was like, I need to use them up. I used them all up in this journal. So I just wanted to share it with you today. And I tried to do a little bit of layering for my cover here. So I've got butterflies, birds, and flowers. And it just says collect beautiful moments. And then you can see my spine here is, it's all made of paper. So it's a pretty curvy, bendy spine, but I did cover it up with some extra fabric here. And then there's the back. And this is a pretty good size. This is about 6.5 inches wide by 9 inches tall. So again, I was kind of just using up the papers that I had. So this was just kind of an experiment, but here we are on the inside. So I guess I'll start over here. This part actually does flip out as well, but over on this side, I just added a tall coin envelope and I put some scrap paper over it and a sticker, and I just stuck this time card in there, which is from Dollar Tree. Actually, so is the coin envelope. So this just happened to fit pretty perfectly. And then I also have 2 pockets behind the coin envelope. So I stuck some paper there. This would be great for journaling, even on the back as well. A little list of contents. And then at the top there, just another cute little card that you could journal on. But this is all from the paper pad. Just extra little scraps that I had left over. And let me go ahead and flip this part open. So we'll start over here. And I just have a side pocket. So I've got a coffee dyed guest check and one of these little 6x6 cut aparts from the paper pad. But this is nice journaling space too. There's the back there. That's what that page looks like. And then, so the pocket is actually, as you can see, part of this page here. And this is really nice journaling space too. But this is kind of like a mini signature on this inside part. So I just have this little flap over here. That also opens up. And then I washi taped this little piece from the paper pad as well. They had like 3x4 cut aparts, so I just took 2 of them and folded it in half pretty much. That's what that is. And then just some paper here for writing. Some coffee dyed paper here. There is a flap that opens that way, but before we do that, I've just paper clipped a few things to the edge there. So this is just a little envelope. I don't even know where I got this from. And then this one here, I just made into a journaling card, layered up some scraps down below, and you could journal on here. There's the back. So again, I just kind of paper clipped these to the edge of this little flip out page. So we'll put those back. And then this page, I just added some flowers to the top. You could journal on here or add photos, but this also flips out. And there's the beautiful paper there. And then I just have more writing space, photo space. I did add some scraps down below here and a little sentiment. Ordinary people can do extraordinary things. And then that's pretty much it for the pages on this side. And right in the center part here, I just have a coffee dyed envelope, which is just a bunch of pockets. So I have another one of these from the paper pad. Another little scrap here as well. And then the back of the envelope, I just have these little like sales order slips, a tag, and this you can open up as well. And then just a little journaling card I put together with some ledger paper and a scrap from the paper pad. Just some fun little journaling goodies. So we'll stick these back. And then again, this part just closes up. And in this center part here, this is like where the main journaling part is. So I have just one signature in here, and it is held in with just an elastic. So you could add more pages, take pages out, but I'll just quickly flip through this. So I didn't really like decorate or embellish very much for this part, but the paper's so pretty, isn't it? So I kind of added plain papers as well. Papers from the Tim Holtz paper pad. And there's definitely room to add more or just move pages around. But that's the main journal part. And then this in the back is pretty much the same as the front, so that flips out. But first, I just have some writing space here, but it's also a tuck spot. So I've got another one of these little, I don't even know, cards. And then this could be a journaling card, or you could put a photo here. That does flip up. And then I just washi taped this to the corner here. But great journaling space. You could put a small photo. I did add this little sticker to the front as well. And then these will just tuck right in front there. And this flips out. So that's my little signature for this side. I guess I'll just start over here. But I just made one big pocket here, and then I added some scraps down below. You could add a label in this area or a sentiment. Another one of these fun little journaling booklets, maybe. A scrap paper here. And then here are my pages. So I've got those same flowers down below here, and then just a little extra scrap for a tab. Ledger paper. On this page, I think I've paper clipped, yes. Paper clipped things on both sides. So this is kind of like a little ticket you could journal on. And then I put one of these again on the side, as well as just this extra little piece here, maybe for journaling. So I kind of just attach this like so to the edge. And then this piece I also put over here. Here's my paper clip. And then I just put those together like that. And then over here, so this was the page or the paper that I was talking about with the 3x4 cut aparts, but I kind of just turned this into a flip out page. And then this over here I turned into another side pocket similar to the front. So I thought this was a cute little journaling card. And then this is just another 6x6 cut apart as well. And that is everything for this fun little Tim Holtz folio or lapbook journal. And I'm really happy because I used up the whole entire paper pad now. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this quick little flip through. Maybe it gave you some inspiration, and I will see you all in my next video. So happy crafting and huge hugs!